Alright, shoot up top right here. Oh, got away! Ah.
I bet there wasn't even a fish there.
My reel's not reeling too good for me.
Turn it off.
Now I'm enjoying this.
Oh, that was a big old drum right there, and I missed that sorry sucker. I thought it was a rock for a minute, and I seen it was a fish. Missed it.
You better get one on this next one because this is going on Facebook and you've totally missed 2 fish.
Yeah, pathetic, huh? Of course,
Yeah.
shad, Ariel, I mean, that's about the hardest thing you can possibly shoot.
You didn't say that until after you missed.
It's still true. Shooting little shad's tough business.
Do a little bit loop right there. I bet you'll find another one. No.
There goes some bass. Too bad you can't shoot them.
Why can't you shoot them?
They're game fish. They're all over the place in here. Look at them school of shad. Do you see them?
I don't see anything. Just shoot it.
You need to get some polarized sunglasses.
Polarized sunglasses, I don't think has diamonds on the side of it.
True, unless they're mine. All the cool, bow fishermen, they have diamond-studded polarized fishing glasses. Only a dork wouldn't. See that bass right there swimming in the water? It's a pickerel. It's a pickerel from this angle, looks like, yeah. You see it?
Yeah, I see those fish. Why don't you shoot it? It'd be better than nothing.
I can't shoot a pickerel. Don't make me cry.
Well, I'm starting to believe that the fish you bring home, you buy. There was a big fish. Oh my goodness, is that one?
Where?
Kidding.
It'd been funny if I shot one. These big rocks. Sometimes there'll be fish a whole dollar.
Well, this sure looks like drinking water.
No, this is where we use the bathroom, not drink it. You've been doing it backwards? Gross. Starting to clear up in here, though, Esther. Did you see that?
Yes, where is that perfect swimming hole, buddy?
Oh, not the way.
He said he's taking us to a perfect swimming
Look at all
hole.
them shad up there. See them swimming?
And I'm afraid it's going to be a perfect mess.
I didn't say a perfect swimming hole. I said the perfect swimming hole. Get it straight. See these, when you find stuff down in the water like this, it can be real nice, especially at nighttime when you're bow fishing. You come in and just ease them with your trolling motor on low.
I don't see any fish.
Well,
I see fish, but not the
I've
kind.
killed them all.
Yeah.
Just a little too successful. Except for, of course, the ones I missed.
There's another, whatever you call it.
Alright, I'm going to have to hold this. I got to pull the motor up. Hurry.
Well, I don't have a hand to turn it off right now because I'm holding the bow. This is the deadly weapon.
Okay, we definitely are not going to make it to the perfect swimming hole. Because there's the shallow spot.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We just came all this way.
We will take your word that it's there, and we will go ahead.
Y'all don't want to swim here?
I'm not swimming in this one.
Y'all don't want to try to wade up there or swim up there? To see it?
No.
You guys. Where you want to swim at then?
We just, oh,